Hey everybody, my name is Jeremy Rodriguez, and today we're going to be talking about our flagship premium multi-tool, the Leatherman Arc. Arc sets the standard for compact multi-tools on the market today. It's based on the feedback from our users and what features are important to them. Things like premium materials and one-hand opening. Arc is built on free technology, which allows you to open each of the tools easily and smoothly without picking at it with your fingernails. It comes in a stainless steel finish with DLC coating, as well as a bronze Cerakote with black accents. Arc also has MagnaCut steel, a first in the multi-tool category. MagnaCut is a premium knife steel that excels in edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance. Arc has 20 tools, weighs in at 8.6 ounces, and is 4.25 inches in length. Now let's dive into the features and implements of Arc. When Arc is closed, you have access to most of its 20 implements, including the MagnaCut knife blade with the Thumbstud design, diamond-coated file, wood metal file, edge file. You also have access to the scissors, saw, impact surface, large bit driver, can opener, awl, wire stripper, small bit driver, medium screwdriver, pry tool, and a bottle opener. When you open the Arc, you'll have access to the needle nose and regular pliers, 2 types of wire cutters, and the electrical gripper. Each of Arc's tools can be opened with one hand, including the knife blade. To open the knife blade, rotate the blade with your thumb until it locks into place. To close the knife blade, slide the lock over and stow the blade back into the handle. You can access the other tools by pressing here. With the pad of your thumb, press on this point until the tool pops out of the handle. Pick the implement you want to use while stowing the others. The tools lock into place and then can be unlocked and placed back into the handle after use. The Arc also comes with a pocket clip that is great for everyday carry. Arc is backed by our 25-year warranty and is made in the USA with US and global parts. For more information about the Arc, our MagnaCut sharpening service, or any of our multi-purpose products, please visit us at leatherman.com.